Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Porsche Macan with a dead battery. Start by removing the mechanical key from the fob and unlocking the driver door manually, then pull the handle slowly to avoid tripping sensors. If the key slot is covered, use a thin tool to lift the cover. Keep the car in park and the parking brake on while you work for safety and control. If manual door entry worked, open the hood or rear access to reach the 12V battery or jump point securely. Attach a portable jump starter or jumper cables to the correct terminals, ensuring correct polarity and firm contacts before starting. Once power is restored, let the car idle briefly to stabilize the electrical system. Avoid rapid cranking and check for dash warnings before driving off safely. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfortable on long roadside waits and look surprisingly heroic next to a spare tire. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For keyless problems, position the fob very close to the start button or designated reader to bypass weak battery detection. If the car recognizes the fob, start the engine and let electronic systems reboot slowly. Consider carrying a spare fob battery or a secondary physical key to avoid lockouts. If issues persist, visit a qualified technician to check the receiver and battery health to prevent future failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.